As data volumes grow, managing access table by table becomes an administrative nightmare. Attribute-based access control, or ABAC, in Unity Catalog for Databricks changes this. It allows organizations to govern fine-grained access dynamically at scale. Instead of managing individual table grants, we can use metadata attributes like data tags or user group memberships to automatically enforce security policies across our entire data estate. Let's take a look at an example with our fictitious company, Lumina Technologies. Within our Lumina Technologies catalog and the operations schema, we have a customers table. As you can see in the sample data, we have PII exposed, specifically customer email addresses. We need to mask this PII for all users across the entire operations schema, with one exception, our service agents group, who need this data to assist customers. Normally, we'd have to write and apply a masking policy to this specific table and then repeat that for every other table containing emails. But how do we do this at scale? With ABAC, we are going to create a policy at the Lumina Technologies catalog level that will cascade down to the operations schema and every table within. Here is where the attributes come in. We don't want to name specific columns. Instead, we tell Unity Catalog to apply this masking policy to any column that has the tag email. Next, we add our group attribute. We set a filter rule that applies this mask to everyone unless they are a member of the service agents group. Next, we need the actual masking logic. We can write our own reusable SQL function and store it in Unity Catalog. But let's make things easier. We'll use the Databricks Assistant to generate a custom masking function for us. We can even test and validate the function right here to ensure it replaces the string with asterisks before we hit publish. With our policy published, let's verify it worked. When I load the sample data in the customers table now, acting as a standard user, the emails are securely masked. If I were logged in as a service agent, I would see the plain text. We achieve this without touching the table's underlying data or individual permissions. There is one final piece to the puzzle. Our policy relies on the email tag, but manually tagging every single column across hundreds of tables doesn't scale either. To solve this, we use Unity Catalog's built-in data classification. We can run this at the catalog level, and it will intelligently scan and suggest tags for PII. We simply view the results, approve the suggested email tags, and our ABAC policy instantly protects those newly discovered columns. Security that scales automatically.